Hey guys, Noise here with another daily recap. It is a break-even day. Just I'm down $30 today, so it's still okay. I'll consider it a break-even day. Seeing how the market is, I felt pretty frustrated as you can see here. I walk away around at this candle when it dips below the VWAP. I'm like, okay, that's it. And I walk off, and immediately after it went all the way up. So this is probably around $1.50. Yeah, so I missed $1.50 here. So TKT was today's leading gapper, and these are today's gappers that are still on my watch list. So if these are the tickers, and it speaks a lot. So basically, there's not much going on other than TKT, which started pretty quiet on low volume, and then around 10, yeah, around 10, then it decided to have all this crazy movement. So I added here when it decided to break out, sold off here and this candle, thinking this could be a pop and fade, seeing how the market is. Then basically just sit on my hand and watch it consolidate. But when it get below the VWAP, I'm thinking around this area. Yeah. 1025 I decided to walk off after this. So and it went without me. Pretty frustrating because if not I wouldn't be down $30. I might be up, I don't know, 150 today because of this. And the ATS, nothing much, just a small trade here. So as I see it's going up, I was thinking this could be a pullback. So I added here and stop out. I got not really stop out. I choose to sell off here because it's not holding too well. The movement is pretty weird. This pullback is kind of huge. So as expected, it is not doing too well. So this is a nice win here. Just a tiny 10 cent. Yeah, 15 cent. Pretty alright. So one loss. Yeah, is a nice win on TKAT. Nice win on DATS. I think I lost on RGC today. So CTK did not trade this. This is overall how the market is. It went up and yeah, really choppy. Lots of knives still. So daily wise is looking okay. However, it seems to be unable to hold the view up. So I'll be removing this. This PRT is nice too. Yeah, as you can see here. This is based on the 5 minute. They broke the downtrend and went up, but I did not trade this as you can see this was way past my trading time. I walk away around 10:25 today. So I know the recording is pretty late, it's 12 plus now, because after I walk off and I came back and see TKAT make this move, I felt really, I don't know, kind of frustrated, so I went to take a breather. Like, this could make my red day green, and August I have already more red days than green, so this will definitely help a lot, but that's just how it is. I'm okay missing this, then there's one more I miss, I will show you later, but this hurts a lot because I was really watching it and I was really looking at it because of this trend line. SPRT did went up, but this was on my watch list, so I mean this on my watch list, but I wasn't that bullish on it. But yeah, as you can see, the bottom trend is still holding here, and along with VWAP, it went up again. Pretty nice move, but it's way past my trading time, so I'm not gonna touch it. BPTH, yeah, this is why I say I did mention around this area like why you should always scale out, especially during colder market periods. As you can see in the open, okay, this was PM, I mean pre-market. I added here, sold off here, thinking it's gonna fade since this was there's quite a bit, I mean triple top or double top at the pre-market high. So I'm thinking that's how BPTH is. I remember it, and as I expected, this false breakout into this shit. So how do you avoid false breakouts like this? Study their personality. So okay, all these topping tails, these are a sign, and look at this. This is basically how the stock personality is. Once in a while, they will just gap up like crazy and flushes down. Gap up like crazy, flushes down. Same thing, gap up like crazy, flushes down. Gap up crazy, flush down. That's basically how the stock personality is. So same thing, flush up, flash up and down, up down, up down, up down, up down. So yeah, you get my point. Like a lot of people sell the idea of a daily or whatever, a trader or whatever you want to call it, day trader. Like basically they sell you the dream that you can trade on the beach or anything, or you can just wake up like 30 minutes before the market and just hop in and trade. No, none of this is true. First thing, you need to be really focused and couldn't have any disturbance or noise around. Secondly, you gotta do your TD and your own research. Maybe at least an hour a day and draw the whatever TA, or at least know how the dailies are looking like and see if there's any news or anything. So all these are things that you have to do just before trading. Those are the additional homework. You don't just trade 30 minutes a day and drive your Lambo and all the shit. Those are not true. Trading at the beach, you won't even have a proper connection. You definitely will not want to be in the long or short position and then your connection got. Imagine you're in long position, let's say here. You went up here, you couldn't sell it, and you basically have to sell it here when the connection comes back. So yeah, trading isn't all that glamorous and all the glitters that they try to sell in a dream on. It's really tough grind every day. It's all your discipline, your tiny habits, and your mental control. So okay, back to the daily trading. Recap. RGC I added here and seeing is tiny of a ABCD. However, I added here thinking it could hold up. So when I was seeing it went up here, then it pulled back. And short time it managed to go up, and the next candle it still went up. I hopped in here thinking it could went up in a halt, but to hit the wall around 1740. Then yeah, pretty unfortunate. So when it went down, I was thinking, okay, since it's still holding this area, I'll let it hold up. But so I see a bottom support here. So when it crossed it, I basically got stop out here. I set my stop loss here. So that's just how it is. And yeah, this probably cost me around 4 to 500. This make me down 4 to 500. I probably should not size in a lottery buy like this at such amount. However, if I'm wrong, was TKAT. Yeah, I think it's because I had a nice cushion from BPTH at pre-market. So I was feeling a little ballsy when the market opened. I got in here, hoping to get a hold out for RGC. And cost myself 4 to 500 loss, just like that, just a snap. I mean, not really a snap, like basically I got knife here, but I didn't want to sell it, thinking this could still be a ABCD. So this is refusing to take a loss, which causes you to have a bigger loss. So yeah, that's all for my today's trading. Overall, I'm down 30 or $50. A nice trade on TKAT. Missed this whole $1.50 move. Nice trade on DATS, just a small scalp, a little oversell, a little bounce. SPRT did not trade this, however, this is also a nice breakout. I mean, it's a slow grind, but it's still a nice breakout. And as you can see, they did respect the bottom and still going, but it's way past my trading time. BPTH, yeah, just disgusting. It's just an ugly graph. RGC, this is just poor trading habit. I FOMO, hop in here for a hold and refusing to sell when it's at this area. This is on me. So I will drill this in my head, and this is, you gotta learn from this. So yeah, unfortunate day. My swings are, I mean, PT was as low as 640 today, but seems like it bounced back up, which is okay. Swings overall looks okay. ERL also hit rock bottom a little. Seems like it's holding the 200 MA. Other than that, ECR is over $1, which is good. So yeah, overall it's just a very even day, but if I don't make stupid mistakes like this and polish more on my habits, I would say, I will have even better period during this August. So yeah, I'm actually trying to remember all this to not do the same mistake again. Yeah, on the 5 minute is really way overextended in a way, and somehow it's overextended. It's still pretty choppy. So I added this area. Yeah, hindsight, it's hard to tell. I mean, it really looks like a ABCD wedge coming. So when this false breakout, I should probably just sort here, or at least way below the VWAP. Maybe yeah, when it didn't hold above here, I should have stop loss around here. Maybe 1550. Yeah, this should be a great stop level. 1550, $half mark. So yeah, all right. Keep this in mind. So overall, just down 30 or 50. Still alright. Hopefully you guys traded way better than me as usual. And thank you for all those that are always watching my daily recaps. So one more thing is it really helps the channel a lot if you guys could drop a like, subscribe or comment, as it will help the channel with the algorithm and as well as helping it to grow. So yeah, it's way past my trading time. I stopped around 10:25, but I only record the daily recap now, hence I should not hop into anything else. So I should definitely get over this recap, close the app and just walk away from the market before I hop into any other trades. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And like I mentioned, as long as there's only one, even if there's only one other person that's watching, I will still be making the recap every day, as I really enjoy it a lot. And this acts as a secondary journal for myself. So yeah, pretty dry August so far, more red days than green, but things like this happens. There will be red days, there will be period of red days. So like what I said in all my other recaps, all you gotta do is keep your red days further apart and also to keep your red days smaller. So yeah, as usual, this will be it. I'll see you guys first thing tomorrow morning and night time if you're in my time zone. So alright, as usual, stay safe, trade safe, peace.